On our last episode of Cut the Mustard, we bathed in all things hot sauce. Well, on this episode, we're going to add some sweet to that spice. Today, we're going to take you on a sticky and oh-so-sweet journey through the world of maple syrup, the syrup king of condiments. But first, let's get one thing straight. If you're still using that cheap imitation syrup that's made of corn syrup and food coloring, we're going to have to ask you to leave. This episode is for true maple syrup connoisseurs only. Now for the rest of you, let's get sticky. Did you know that the indigenous peoples of North America were the first to tap maple trees and make syrup? They used hot rocks to boil the sap and create a sweet, sticky syrup that they used for cooking, as a natural sweetener, and even as medicine. And it wasn't until the 17th century that European settlers in North America started to adopt this delicious treat. The New England sugar makers were already producing maple sugar due to its high demand. In the 1800s, the government removed the import tax on white cane sugar, making it cheaper and more readily available. This led to the decline in demand for maple sugar and the rise in popularity of maple syrup. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Real maple syrup is made from the sap of maple trees and nothing else. No corn syrup, no artificial flavors, no nonsense. And did you know that it takes about 40 gallons of sap to make just 1 gallon of syrup? That's a lot of tree tapping. And last but not least, did you know that Canada produces about 80% of the world's maple syrup? Or that the different grades of syrup have different flavor profiles. Grade A is light and delicate, while Grade B is dark and robust. So, whether you like your syrup sweet and mild, or bold and flavorful, there's a grade for you. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Cut the Mustard, where we always make sure to pour on the facts and drizzle on the humor. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more episodes, and let us know in the comments what condiment you want us to dive into next. May the syrup be with you, my friends.